What's going on, guys? It's your boy, the Forex Prince, back at it again with another video over here at Beastly Trader. Today's video is going to be an awesome video. I'm going to show you how to make residual income with your money without doing anything. And I mean that, without doing it. Alright, you're pressing a button. That's it. That's it. And if you're interested in that, and learning how you can make residual income without doing nothing. I'm talking about make money while you sleep, do whatever, nothing. And this is, I'm telling you, Forex, that's something, but this is different. If you're interested, smash that like. Make sure you hit that noti bell and make sure you subscribe because I'm telling you, I'm going to keep dropping bangers. So, yeah, I know I've been away for a while. Let me just tell you where I've been. I've been trading, I've been coaching, I've been mentoring, I've been teaching, I've been all over the place. I've been, just building up my background and my credibility with becoming a Forex coach. That's my new path I want to take. So if you're looking for a coach, definitely down in the comment section say I need a coach, and let's leave a way for me to contact you, and I'll contact you and we'll go from there. So like I said, to get straight into the video, let me take you to where I gotta go. So what I want to talk about is Crystal Trust Capital. What Crystal Trust Capital is, it's a person who has a EA that helps him make money, right? What he does is I can't say he manages his account. He manages portfolios, but I don't pick the stocks, he trade for you. So it's a secure and easy way to earn and invest without doing anything, all right? You can consistently earn money from this, all right, without doing anything. So let's just go learn about them a little bit, just a little bit about them, the about us. All right. So what is Crystal Trust Capital? Like I said, they're an automated trader. He's an automated trader. He uses the EA, and the EA makes you money, and all you have to do is invest. And investing with his company or into him, and he'll give you a residual income. So let's go ahead and talk about those packages and plans. So with this is the first package. If you've seen in the thumbnail, remember that balance. All right. Remember that balance. Go back to the, if you have to, go back and try to see if you can see the thumbnail. All right. So the first package is a beginner package. All right. The minimum deposit is $100. The maximum deposit is $1,000. So let's talk about my case. I invested $100. I turned that $100 to $200. Then I turned that $200 to $300. Then I turned that $300 to $400. Each day that I invested my money in, I was able to get a 5% interest on whatever I invested. And it only take one day for this to go down. So I would invest, and then 24 hours, the period would be over. And once the period would be over, I could just withdraw the interest to my account, and the initial deposit comes back as well. So like I said, this is the beginner package. This beginner package does have rules. The beginner and the amateur both have rules. Um, with these two set accounts, you are required to leave 50% in your account. You can only leave with 50%. All right, so that you can keep trading and investing. When you work your way down to one of these accounts, which is the advanced account, there is no restriction on withdrawal. You can withdraw the entire balance. All right, it's just that the reason there's the restriction, that's for the non-traders. These accounts, these packages are for the traders, the people who has money that need their funds instantly. Those are just for people who, testing this out, not gonna come back or whatever, and not truly serious. And that's what that is. But like I said, up to 40% interest. You can invest 100K and get 40%. 10% of 100K is what, 10,000? So you getting 40,000 on 100K per day, not doing nothing, and you have a potential to get more. So let's say it's NFP or it's a very volatile day, and he ended up getting more than your 40%. You end up getting 50%. You just 50K'd in one day. It's that simple. So let's go into my back portal so we can talk about what I've done and the withdrawals and stuff. If you paid attention to the thumbnail, you would have seen that the thumbnail said 3 something. It could have been 311 or 399, whichever it was. I took a withdrawal, all right? I got all the money in, I withdrew, and now it's at 211.79. I'll show you up here. It says admin. Withdrawal was successful. You see that it says I got my Bitcoin now available. You can see I click in here. 20696 was there, and you can see that it says 208 was withdrawn from my wallet. So it works, guys. I did this last Friday and I just withdrew. I'm about to reinvest that. I just wanted to do a withdrawal to show y'all that it was real and that this isn't no scam or anything. I want to actually go through with the process. So like I said, if you learned something from this video or you definitely want to try this out, be sure to check the links in the description. I will drop the links so we can go ahead and get you set up. The minimum is $100. You have to have a wallet of some sort. I use Cash App, and we could work on ways to go about depositing your money in the next video, in another video, and another time in the comment section, or if you're one of my students, we could work on the back end. But definitely smash the like and subscribe button, and make sure you check that noti bell, because I'm gonna keep on dropping bombs. This one here is for the books, people. You can deposit anything up to, what it say, to 100K or something like that, and get residual income, not doing nothing, just by pressing button. So let me show you how I reinvest. So you come down here to the beginner package, right? I think that's at 211. So we're gonna hit invest. We're gonna hit 211, and then we're gonna hit proceed, right? Once we hit proceed, it's gonna buy us in. Proceed. I always leave the change. I never take the change. Boom. Investment successful. 5 investments done. You can see that it says 211. My return on that is 1055. It also is down here as well. So for this one, all you have to do is click that, type in the amount, hit withdraw. So with that one, I'm just letting that one sit. That's actually an old one, though. I don't know why. I think there might be a glitch in the system because I've done that one already. But we're at 211. Tomorrow I'll come back and it should be at 221. Then I'll get 5% of 221. But like I said, I'm gonna invest that 208 back in. I'm gonna go do that now, soon, right after this video is over. So like I said, after that's done, tomorrow I'll click withdraw, and it goes right back up here to my wallet. And I just redo it, keep redoing it, and then money. I can trade, I can do this, and other things. I could have started this with a $10,000 account, but I wanted to start off small to make sure that this was legit, and that it is legit. That's the reason why you're gonna like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and God bless.